Hey everyone, this is Cynthia the Game Dev. I'm gonna show you the game I made in college. Some people are saying that I'm not good at anything. They're saying, look, you're a scrub, you're shit, trolling me. These are my mates, so I'm gonna give them a bit of a laugh here and actually show you what I made. So this is the start. You start in a college, yeah, and it's like COVID and that. So there's a computer. Ignore the flash. Uh, There's obviously I forgot the character. As the door opens, you can see health HP. I programmed all that. Even when I was in the college syllabus, I went home and learned all this, and I made that. You can see it looks like mainly my laptop. Obviously, you press E, then an email. You can check your emails. So let's read that now. Hello. We are informing you that we know you have been interested in astronomy, but it's dangerous out there. And we want you to come and study something in college because you're a SETI scientist, like an astronomer scientist, but aliens and that. So you could either click find out who's speaking and interrogate them, or you can email back. Well, that's another email, but you can email back. Respond to say that you're going to college. So you can click the buttons. Let's click that one, and this is a cutscene. But the cutscene glitched. But in the cutscene, you can see the character's not there in it. So that's a coin. You can see you got 5 gold, so you could buy items. That's where one of the oh wait, the character model's not loaded, I think. But there's someone. Oh wait, the character's not didn't load on that. So let's go to college in the game. Ignore all those glitches. See these stairs? I made them in Maya. And this is in Unity. Obviously, I'm going on Unreal, and you can see I put fog on to make it look like it's Halo a bit, because I want the graphics to be a bit like Halo. So I might learn a bit of Blender, sci-fi course, sci-fi video Udemy. So look, I'm just using USD, WSD. So going to the college. Watch this. It's a bit of a jump scare I wanted. I would add more cutscenes, but I programmed enemies. My tutor taught us that. Because I made other games as well. There's 2 other games that are pretty good. There's a maze game, and there's another kind of maze game. So look at that. Like these were invisible walls to stop the player walking off. So these are trees, yeah. So what happens now is during the forest. So when you go in the light, when they're open, yeah, look at that. I see you fell. If you go there, because it's supposed to be like cheese, if you go out in the open and that alien finds you, watch what happens now. Watch what happens. Hold on. Oh, it's glitched. That's I was messing about. I was trying to make an idle animation, but I didn't have time at college, and obviously at home I got depressed because I missed my friends at college. I don't know how people can just do stuff without any friends and that. That's just a bit weird, isn't it? So obviously I need to go back to uni and learn some more basics because it does do my head in after a while. I did get really tired. It was a lot of fun making this game, but if you actually make it and not die when it's not glitched, you can see that this goes on the next level. Look how interesting that is. I didn't make that, but I learned how to make that. I downloaded that in. I downloaded the trees, but I made a software to make the trees look all cool like that. Like I textured them in. Oh well, very basic, right? But the health ain't loaded in yet. But there you go. Level 1 victory. We made it to SETI Lab. What SETI Lab is, it's like when people look trying to find signs of alien life and they look on radars to like one time they heard like a weird thing on the telephone. So it's illegal in the game because they want to go to college and just learn astronomy, like just do space stuff, physics. But what actually happens in the story in the state lab they find other rebel scientists that have found signals of alien life, and there's obviously aliens in it, but the other characters, like in Half Life, it's a bit like Half Life, where it's like, oh, you don't go up there, so it's like Combine, but you know, it's just yeah. And obviously, I'm gonna learn Blender because I can do. I'm good at Maya, but my friend in college was saying do I was saying was doing Blender, and he was dead good at it. Like obviously, I'm really good at programming and can type faster than that, but you can see like on Alien Fighter, it's got like 8 enemy script. Yeah. Flying script. That's what happened. Was I made that myself without any help or anything. We open that. I'll show you some of my coding skills now. See what's happened. Void start. Transform position. So you can see it's not like got the player's position. Which which I need to practice on feeding that in. I did it in the other game and I'll slowly getting better at it. Obviously, if you're a 3D modeler, you won't want to be coding. You want someone like me that can fucking code that fast. I watch this like find object with tag player, and then dot transform equal player position dot equals dot transform or vector 3. Vector 3 is like the XYZ. So I just want to go. Obviously, college was hard because there's people that were new, and I was a bit. And then I had an accident. I was depressed. My keyboard broke. I spent all my money on makeup and stuff because I was depressed. Right? You know how it is when you're not that pretty. Sometimes I won't be doing that again. I'll just be focusing on my Blender or on game objects. Not worry if people think I'm not pretty or because I got self confidence or whatever. Obviously, I work on that, and I won't get angry when people shouting. And in the foundation course, it's like quieter. Or I'll do year 2 again. I'll apply to both, and then I'll just keep learning how to make games that are dead advanced and do cool stuff, rather than that I'm learning some weird cheapo weirdo RPG maker game, because those games do my fucking head in. Because I actually love technology and futurology and coding, and pixel art is boring. I didn't grow up with pixel art games. I grew up with fucking PlayStation 3D games. So I don't know what people are trying to suggest here, but you know what it is? It's because they think that it costs money or whatever. So that's why they keep telling me, no, Desmond, don't do that. And because they're just tourists and they don't understand that money doesn't matter that much. There's enough for everyone if you really want to study and are passionate, like I am. Because I didn't know about game courses when I was younger. Did you? Probably not. I just done that because I won't tell the story, but I heard about the college before, and then one day when I was like, I was sick of this. I just tried to use Unity, and fucking, I didn't get anywhere because there's all these stupid tutorials on YouTube that do my head in. But the tutors at college, they're chilled out, and they help you like a fuck ton. Like even sit next to you and you can just watch them what they do, and there's no distraction like fucking League or anything. Most people are doing the games when you chill out. And if we go on this other course, which is more for adults rather than the silly college, which kindly they adapted it to let me on because they could see I had potential, clearly. Like, you can see me and I don't even look old because I don't drink or smoke. I'm so fucking healthy, but I just had this fucking car crash thing. And it's like, why did this fucking have to happen? Where I have no fucking money for food because I spent it on stupid stuff or my keyboard breaks, or there's a glitch on the computer, which I was modding it one night and I forgot what registry acts were. So, like, I made another user account to fix the glitch. So now I've got internet and I've got electric. Now I'm just gonna get ready for this course because I've already been working too many fucking jobs. I don't know why you talk smack, mate. I'm better than a games tester. I play like thousands of games. I can write like 500 words. I can write like 110 words a minute. And none of these game testers can because it just grew up with PlayStation. When I grew up with PC games, because all my family love gaming, so it just makes sense. Like you think that I'm just some chav, or you think that I'm not good at maths when I passed maths. So it's just computers for me because I already could see the future when I was only like 10. So people talking smack, you don't know. Even my primary school teacher one time pulled me out from the whole class and just showed me some weird that star game on the computer in the early 2000s because he could see how much I liked games and didn't like anything else. So when people say, "Oh, you don't study or don't do this," or learn some weird online 2D, I would learn online 2D games, but my needs need to be fulfilled. I need to expand my game and learn 3D modeling because VR games are coming up. It's not the 90s, so don't talk smack, mate. Even phones can run 3D games. You don't know what you're talking about, mate. You're not even helping me make the game. You're just there, like, eating your popcorn. So don't talk shit, mate. You don't even play games. You just watch football and stuff. So don't talk smack. I'll find better game devs on Reddit or something, or on StackView or something. But you know what? The internet pisses me off so much. And you get these trolls talking shit. So, I can fucking make the game, mate. Obviously, when people all the time are narcissistic, and it's like, why should I make a game? You know? So obviously, you need to be in the better environment than this. So that's why I've written like a 500,000 word application saying sorry for not doing year two. Because I didn't mean it, like, I didn't mean to not do it. It's just when no one gives a fuck, and even my family take the piss. So don't give me that. Like, I literally spent like a week just going to the library, and my keyboard broke. I thought I had to go get a job to fix my computer, and I fucking got a concussion by accident. I that was the only time I didn't enroll. That's the only time I cancelled my enrollment. Was like in early September, like a week before, because I was still getting headaches. I didn't want to go on a course and not be able to do it because I got a headache.